What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I wanted to showcase a pretty cool part of my new apartment. This is the loft, and it's more of my girlfriend's office space, as I already have my own space. We decided to turn this into a really cool room. Let me know what you guys think of the room. Of course, it's themed with like a lot of like anime and manga stuff, as this is stuff that is really important to my girlfriend, and we designed it pretty much exactly how she wanted, just because she loves to read, she loves to work in her own space, and we both thought that it's very special that we have our own spaces. But let me know what you guys think about this. I think it came out really good. It's still a work in progress as we just moved in. And the first part of the setup that I wanted to showcase, which in my opinion is the most important part of any office or workspace, and that's the desk. So here we are showcasing the SmartDesk core from Autonomous AI. This comes in at $499, and by far, from experience, this is the best desk I have ever owned in my entire life. I currently myself, I own the same one that we feature here, but I also own the L desk from Autonomous, and it's a standing desk. They're all standing, and in my opinion, if you do a lot of work from home or just in general you're at your computer pretty often, standing gives your back a pretty much needed rest that you don't actually realize you need this break until you have a standing desk. So the desk features a solid steel frame. There's an electric dual motor that controls the standing feature. You also have options between a regular sized desk or an extra large desktop, which is pretty convenient. I prefer personally an extra large desktop just because it helps with the work. And it can also lift 265 pounds with ease, which is actually pretty nuts. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick. Look how like easily it like puts me up, like no effort. Like it's not.
You're gonna hit your head on the wall.
No, I'm not. This thing's, it was just like perfect. But this, it's just so smooth how like it goes up. It's actually kind of insane. It just shows like how much like of a quality product this desk really is. It's kind of nuts. So the desk actually features 4 settings you can program. You have your arrows for up and down, so you'll raise and lower the desk with these. And then you have the M button, which helps you program those 4 different settings. So let's say you want the number 1 button to be your standing button. So you just program your height to the number 1. You press the number 1, and if you're sitting down at the lowest setting, then your desk will automatically raise up to that level that you've programmed. You can also set it, let's say number 2 for your sitting, so you just press the 2 once and it'll automatically go down. And I think that is a very convenient option. That way you don't have to like hold the arrow keys for it to lower and raise. Alright, so next I wanted to go ahead and just feature some of the peripherals here on the setup. First, let's go ahead and start with the mouse. This is a wireless RGB mouse that I got off of Amazon. Cost around $13, and it actually features a pretty bright underglow here, and it features a light matte pink, which in my opinion is probably like the best looking pink, and it matches the setup overall, so that looks really great. Next, we have a 60% wireless keyboard that I also picked up on Amazon that has that exact same matte light pink. And the RGB on it is actually pretty bright, considering the board comes in at a price of $24.99. If you guys are interested in any of the items that are being featured in this video, check the description down below. I'll have them all listed for you guys. So here we have one of my favorite pieces in my girlfriend's collection. It's the OG Game Boy Advance with the pink shell. She actually custom modded the LED backlight, which looks really cool, and it also matches her custom modded Nintendo Switch here. As you can see, it has the translucent Joy-Cons, and it looks pretty great. It matches the setup overall as well. On the left hand side of the setup, she has her little Zelda shrine, as I like to call it, which I think is really cool. And it's on top of some IKEA shelves that honestly at this point you can never find in stock. What is going on, IKEA? Help. Underneath the Zelda shrine, you have a collection of art books from different mangas, anime, and video games. I really love how the desk area came out with the pin collection front and center. And to the right of the desk, we have the shelf that's just full of plushies and cute little figures. And you also have the retro games as well, alongside a CRT TV, which I don't personally own anything like that in my collection, but I think it'd be really cool to have something just like this. We'll see in the future. So now we have the most insane manga collection I've probably ever seen in person. It features a ton of awesome statues as well. And everything's resting on top of these IKEA shelves that honestly, it's really impossible to find any in stock ever. We're actually looking for one more just because she does have a ton of manga still to add onto the wall. But so far, we're actually really pleased just how like it came out. It looks really clean. And here we have the cozy area where we like to just relax, lounge, read some books, some manga. And the dogs really love it as well because they get to look down onto the street, which, you know, provides them a little bit of entertainment. That's going to be it for the loft tour. If you have any questions in regards to the autonomous desk, leave down below. But with that being said, take care, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.